This is the Tineco iFLOOR 1 S5 Steam all-in-one floor cleaner. So if you're tired of sticky messes and dirty floors, the Tineco S5 makes cleaning easier with powerful steam and vacuum in one smart machine. Vacuum and steams at the same time, so it's perfect for the floors, tile, and sealed floors. There's also a smart sensor technology. It will adjust power based on how dirty the floor is. Digital display shows everything you need: steam level, dirt detection, and alerts. Self-cleaning mode keeps the brush and tubes fresh with just one touch. No charging needed. Corded design means longer run time without stopping. So if you're looking for something to clean your floors, tricky spills, or pet messes, the 1S5 does the job.